नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों, मॅथ्स 1 क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये जो पहिला प्रश्न असणार आहे तो 9वीच्या अभ्यासक्रमावरती आधारलेला असणार आहे। यापूर्वी मी क्वेश्चन बँक 1 ही या प्रकारचे व्हिडिओ अपलोड केलेलेच होते। आता यानंतर क्वेश्चन बँक 2 म्हणजे नंतरची राहिलेली प्रकरण आपण यात बघणार आहोत। Now the chapter number 5, linear equation in two variables. Now the 1 marks questions. By using the variables x and y, form any two linear equations in two variables. That's the very simple question. That is, form the linear equation. That is a 3x plus 5y is equals to 9, 2x minus 4y is equals to 7. Next, write any two solutions of equation x plus y is equals to 7. Again, this is a very simple question. Select the values of x and y such that x plus y is equals to 7. Now, in the first case, x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 4. 3 plus 4, that is equals to 7. In the second example, that x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 2, that is 5 plus 2, that is again equals to 7. Now next, 2 marks questions. Solve the following simultaneous equation. X plus y is equals to 4 and 2x minus 5y is equals to 1. Now again, this is very simple question. That is, x plus y is equals to 4, 2x minus 5y is equals to 1. This is the equation number 1. 2x minus 5y is equals to 1. This is equation number 2. Now, that is, the sign of the y is a plus and minus. Therefore, we multiply the equation number 1 by 5 and add these two equations. That is, a 5x plus 5y is equals to 20. If you add these two equations, then you get 5x plus 5y is equals to 20, 2x minus 5y is equals to 1. That is, the plus 5 minus 5y get cancelled. Then you are getting 7x is equals to 21 and therefore x is equals to 3. Now put x is equals to 3 in equation number 1. That is, a 3 plus y is equals to 4 and that's why y is equals to 4 minus 3 and y is equals to 1. Therefore, the solution is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 1. These are the types of the problems you can solve again from the text 9 standards textbook. Now next question, that is chapter number 6, financial planning. For the different types of the investment, what is the maximum permissible amount under the section 80C of the income tax? Now, this is again very simple question. That is a 1,50,000 rupees, and we write here the answer is 1,50,000 rupees. The next, fill in the blanks. A person has earned his income during the financial year, that is the 2017 and the 18. Therefore, his assessment here is a 18 and 19. That is the assessment here. This is the assessment here. Now next question. 2 marks question. Alka spent the 90% of the money that she receives every month and saves rupees 120. How much money does she get monthly? We'll solve this question. Now the Alka spent the 90% of the money that she get. It means that she saves the 10% and she saves rupees 120 per month. Suppose that she get rupees x, therefore x into 10%, that is equals to 120. That is x into 10 upon 100, that is equals to 120. Therefore x is equals to, that is a 1200. Therefore Alka gets rupees 1200 monthly. Now next question. Samira spent 90% of her income and donated 3% for the social useful causes. If she left rupees 1750 at the end of the month, what was her actual income? Now we will again, by using the same technique, that is Samira spent 90%, donated 3%, and the total is 93%. It means that she saves, that is 7%. Her actual income is rupees X, therefore by given condition, X into 7% of that is equals to 1750, and if you solve this, then you will get that is X is equals to 25,000, that is her actually income. Now next question. Mr. Kadam, who is 35 years old and has a taxable income of rupees 30,35,000, compute the income tax payable by him. Now we'll solve this. Mr. Kadam age is 35 years. When the taxable income is more than 10 lakhs, the income tax, that this is a chart, that is rupees 1,12,500 plus 30% of the on the taxable income minus 10 lakhs. That is 1,12,500 plus 13 lakhs, 35,000 minus 10 lakhs into 30%. And therefore, you are getting that is 1,12,500 plus their subtractions comes, that is 3,35,000 into 30%, that is 30 upon 100, and after the calculations we are getting the 1,12,500 plus 1,05,000, and that is equals to 12,13,000. Therefore, the income tax of the Mr. Kadam is 2,13,000. Now we'll see the next chapter, that is chapter statistics, 1 marks question. For the class interval 10 to 20, write the lower class limit and the upper class limit. It's very again simple. Lower class is 10 and upper class is 20. Find the class mark of the class 25 to 35. Now add these two and divided by the 2, then you will get the class mark 25 plus 35 upon 2, that is 60 upon 2, therefore the class mark is 30. Now next question. Find, that is there is some mistakes, find the mean of the given data, and the data is given, I had corrected it. Find the mean of 25, 30, 27, 23 and the 25. Now add these two, 25 plus 30 plus 27 plus 23 and 25. Then you are getting 130 upon 5, and that is equals to 130 upon 5. If we divide it, then you will get that the mean is equals to 26. Now next question. That is find the class interval for the class 25 to 40. Now for the class interval, we take that is h is equals to upper limit minus lower limit. Therefore, the length of the class interval is 15. Next question. 2 marks question. Find the median of the data 30, 25, 32, 23, 42, 36, 40, 33, 21, 43. Now to find out the median, we will solve this like this. The median, arrange the given data. Now arrange the data in the ascending order, and this is the ascending order. Now here the number of the observation is 10, which is an even number. Therefore the fifth and the sixth number are in the middle of the portion. What is the fifth number? Is 32 and the 33, and therefore the median is 32 plus 33 upon 2, that is the 65 upon 2, and therefore their median is 32.5. Now the weight of the 10 students in kilogram are given below, that is 40, 35, 42, 43, 37, 35, 37, 37, 42 and the 37. Find the mode of the given data. It is not given, but I am making some correction there. If the data is arranged in the ascending order, it is easy to find the observation repeating maximum number of the times. Ascending order of the given data, and it is written is like this. The observation repeated maximum number of the time equals to 37. Therefore, the mode of the given data is 37. Now, next question, that is yield of the soybean per acre in the quintal in the Mukun's field for the 7 years was 10, 7, 5, 3, 9, 6, 9. Find the mean of yield per acre. Now, simple question, that is we want to find out the mean, sum of all the observations divided by 7. Therefore, the mean is equals to 7. Now, next question, find the median of the observation, that is 59, 75, 68, 70, 74, 75 and the, that is we want to find out again the median. Let us write the given data observation in the ascending order, that is 59, 68, 70, 74, 75, 75 and 80. Now, there are the 7 observations. Therefore, the median is equals to n plus 1 upon 2. It means that is the 8 upon 2th number. That is the 4th number is median, and that is equals to 74. Now, next, if class mark is 10 and the class width is 6, find the class. Now, see this the question, that is A is the lower limit and B is the upper limit. Class mark means what? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is equals to 10. A plus B is equals to 20. The length of the class interval, that is the B my upper limit minus lower limit equals to 6. If you solve this, then you will get B is equals to 13. But what is A plus B? A plus B is equals to 20. Therefore, A plus 13 is equals to 20 and therefore A is equals to 7. Therefore, the class is 7-13. Now, complete the table, that is the classes, ages 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16. Tally marks is given and the frequency and the total is 35. Now, we will find out the answer. Now, see this, the class, tally marks and the frequency. Right here, that is the 5, that is the 9, 12, 4 and their sum is 35. We can write it, it's a easy question. In the following table, the observation is given about the number of the families and the sibling in the families less than 14 years of age. Find the mode of the data. Now, which number is repeated in the maximum number of the time? That is the 2. That is it is repeated 25 times. Therefore, mode is 2. Now, next question. Find the mean of the 5 numbers. That is the mean of the 5 number is 80, out of which the mean of 4 number is 46. Then find the 5th number. Again, this is a very simple question. That mean of the 5 numbers is 80 and the 4 is. Then we can find out the remaining number. That the mean of the 5 numbers is 50. Therefore, 50 is equals to sum of all the numbers upon 5. Sum of all the numbers 50 into 5, that is the sum of 5 numbers is 250. Now next, the mean of 4 numbers is 45. That is 45 is equals to sum of 4 numbers upon 4. The sum of all the 4 numbers, 45 into 4, and that is equals to 180. Therefore, the fifth number is 250 minus 180, and that is equals to 70. Now next question. The mean salary of 20 workers is rupees 10,250. If the salary of the superintendent is added, the mean will increase by the rupees 750. Find the salary of the superintendent. I will solve this. That is, the mean is equals to sum of the salary of the 20 workers upon 2, and that is equals to 10,250 equals to sum of the salary of 20 workers upon 20. Therefore, the sum of the salary of the 20 workers is equals to 10,250 into 20. That is equals to 2,05,000. Now, when the superintendent is added, the mean is increased by 750. Therefore, the 10,250 plus 750 is equals to the sum of 21 workers upon 21, and that is equals to, if you add this, then you will get 11,000 into 21. That is the sum of the 21 workers, and that is 2,31,000. And the salary of the superintendent is equals to 2,31,000 minus 2,05,000, and that is equals to 26,000, which is the salary of the superintendent. Now the next, I had written there again the problem set, that is summarize all the chapters, that is 1 marks questions. Write the following set using the listing method set of the prime numbers 1 to 50. Write the following sets using the rule method, that is C is equals to AET. Write the following symbolic statement in the word, that is 4 upon 3 belongs to Q. E is equals to, in curly bracket, x is such that x belongs to I, x square is equals to 100. It is finite or the infinite, it's a finite set. A is equal, curly bracket, A is such that A is a natural number smaller than the 0, and right, it's empty set. Now this again, the product is again very simple, that is 7 into 4, 28. Write the simplest form of, that is the rationalizing factor. What is the rationalizing? That is a 16 into 2, that is a 4 root 2. Now rationalizing factor is a root 2 here. Write the coefficient of m raised to 3 given in the polynomial. It's a minus 2 by 3. Write the polynomial in the index form, that is whose coefficient is 1, 2, 3. You can take the variable, and that's you can form that polynomial. Write the class width of this, you can find out the class width of 5 to 10, and the same way the 2 marks questions are again I had repeated. I think that you will solve all these questions and you will get the good marks in the question number 1 from the 9th standard. You practice this type of the questions from the 9th standard textbook, then you will get the good marks. Goodbye.